The American dream: owning a home. Brainwashed. Rent is throwing money away, but is drowning in mortgage interest. Really success? Today, I shatter the real estate myth. I'll reveal why billionaires like Grant Cardone say buying a house is for suckers, and the math of why you become rich only when you don't buy a house. Is a house an asset? Robert Kiyosaki said, "Your house is a liability. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out." Buying means taxes, interest, repairs. A house picks your pocket just by existing. You say values go up? After inflation, your return is worse than savings. You aren't a homeowner, you're a tenant to the bank. Opportunity cost. Buy a $1 million house? Huge interest. What if you rented for less and invested the capital in an S&P 500 ETF earning 10%? In 10 years, money grows massively. Will your house value double? Maybe not, but historically, stocks crush real estate returns. Buying a house is a geographical prison. Better job offer far away? Can't take it. Hate the neighborhood? Can't move. Renters are free. They move to opportunity. In the modern world, the most expensive asset is mobility, not real estate. The rich chase opportunities. Rent forever? No. Key is access, not ownership. You don't need to own concrete. You need the service of housing. Rich people rent where they live and use capital to buy, cash flowing. Real estate, like rights. Your home is a luxury, rentals or investments. Benefit of not buying is liquidity. If money is tied in a house, you can't act on business deals or market crashes. You just watch. With liquid assets, you can quantum leap wealth during crises. Throw off the shackles of a house, and your money flies. Start this one. Stop planning massive loans. 2. Minimize housing costs by renting. 3. Use the down payment to buy a system that pays rent, dividend, stocks, rights. If that system pays your rent and you have cash left, you live for free. This is financial freedom. A house isn't a life goal, it's a place to sleep. Don't mortgage your youth to the bank. Buy freedom instead. Let go of obsession to see wealth. If this helped, subscribe and like. Next time, I'll reveal my specific rights portfolio. Paying rent without owning a house. Thanks.